I have 4 kids, 2 daughters, 2 sons, and my 2 daughters are the oldest, so they are always in a trouble. So I do have one tablet already. I wanted to add another one. I ended up going with the Signage tablet. The issue with these kind of tablets is that they're kind of disappointing, to be honest. 2 GB RAM, 32 GB storage. I mean, what are you even talking about? So even in this one, this was the best I was able to find in the budget I had. It is, I think, listed right now 62 point something dollars. It was more, I think, at the moment when I bought it. Wasn't able to find an excellent tablet for the kids, but this was the best I was able to find. So let me show you again. 3 plus 3 expandable storage. Total you can say it is 6 GB, 3 GB real RAM, 3 GB mimicry of the real, and at least it has 64 GB of storage, which is good as compared to 32 GB. And one other thing, like Android 11, Android 10 still tablets going with those. Android 16 is coming. It is in beta now, but at least I was able to find it in Android 14. Display specifications 800 pixels, so okay. And then it has parental control, all those things which are needed. Let's see how it actually feels like. Let's hope that my daughters like it. Packaging is good. It came well packed, so that's good. So far so good. Big handle. I mean, easily kids can carry it, and the color was the choice that I made based on preference of my daughters. It's really lightweight. It is not plastic. I'm not sure what kind of material it is, to be honest, but whatever it is really lightweight and very easy to hold. No sharp edges or anything like that. I think it should be able to like stand as well. See, and then you can take it and carry it around. 1 year warranty. Not sure if I'm ever going to use warranty. Google Kids Space, something like that. Very kid style, so that's nice. I hope you sent a charger. Oh, thank you. I was really going to be pissed if you did not send the charger. Thank you. I'm not, even if it is a small one, I still like it. It is 10-watt adapter. We have type A to type C, so it charges by type C. That's good. We have the type C port here. Then we have the buttons. Volume plus. Do we have anything else? These are for speakers. Camera. And that's it. No other ports. Oh, headphone jack port here. Let me turn off the studio lights. Maybe it would be better in that regard. Okay, need to set it up. So it is at 90% battery. Is asking for Wi-Fi. Let me actually set it up, and then we can try it. Alright, so I just completed setting up, and I set it up with my eldest daughter's email and with my email, so that I have parental controls. Just in the settings, so that there are no apps visible on the Play Store with in-app purchases, so that they can't make any purchases unless I enter the password and I do it. I also adjusted the settings to block mature or explicit kind of websites and those kind of settings. So it's done now. It is asking the kid to do the setup, but since I'm sharing the video, so I'm going to do it. But first of all, regarding the screen, this is a full brightness right now you're seeing, and while in this is normal room light that you're seeing. It looks good, but if I turn on the studio lights, it would not be this much visible. It is not that high definition, but I think for the kids it's much better. You can, if you look closely, you can definitely spot the pixels. These are not sharp, icons are not that sharp, so don't expect a high resolution screen at this point. But overall, I think the colors are nice. By the way, this is the default. I don't think it lets me go to the home screen at all. This is Google Workspace, so it controls everything through the home link app. So whatever settings I have adjusted in the family link, it will just allow that. So it has apps and videos, all those things. We have games, again filter, then we have watch. You have, because I don't think I allowed the YouTube, so it will just allow you to watch popular videos. If you go into something, it will launch the YouTube Kids app. Let's see, is this the maximum sound? Actually, this volume is good and the sound is not that bad. So for kids, it's more than enough. Let's go back and see, let's see if I go back. See, it takes me back to the Google Workspace app, and let's see what apps can I choose. Oh, sorry, go back. Can I click YouTube? Don't allow, because I don't think I set up the YouTube, so it should probably not allow it. Let's see, get help from parents. See, so anything that you haven't allowed, it will not be allowed here. Anything out of the ordinary, if you want to change it, it would ask you like get help from a parent. So the parent comes in, either sign in here or through the Family Link app can update it, which is really cool. Let me show you. By the way, another thing that I wanted to share is that it is running Android Go edition, so that's why maybe the RAMs for these kids tablet are low, because Android Go edition can run on low memory. So I did not know that. So for example, in this case, this is the Family Link app. See, so I can manage a bunch of Google Play, YouTube, all those settings. My kids are all showing up here. See, Aisha, Fatma. You can see the locations as well, and it's loading, and again all the settings are here, so I can control whether I want to show the location or not. So all those settings are here. You can control them either from here or from the tablet directly. It is totally up to you. It does not let you go off the screen. See, and even if I like do this and then I try to like this is YouTube, let's clear it, and it still comes back to the screen. So it keeps the person right where it is needed. And then if you go to settings, there are multiple settings that you cannot even try out. For example, if I come to location settings, if I can find it, there you are, and if I try to see, it says parent needed. So sensitive applications or settings cannot be accessed from here. And
my stuff here.
You have calculator, clock, all those things are here. What's the capacity? 5000, so good battery life in that sense. You have the storage here, just 12 GBUs, bunch of available storage. And overall I think, I mean, for the price, I'm not sure if there are better options out there, but based on my research and everything, honestly, I think it is a good option. And after using it, it is not that slow. It is responsive enough for kids, and since that's the targeted audience of this app, I think it does its job well. Can you see it? Yeah, I think good enough for kids. Don't expect a lot, but I think it's not that bad, honestly. Let me switch the camera. Can I switch it? Can you see me? Yeah, see? Not bad for video calling as well, right? This is the tablet. Backside is plastic, not very thick, not very heavy as well. Feels solid, and even without it actually looks good. Even if you hold it, it does not look bad, honestly. So even without the cover, the tablet is not bad. So my final impressions, again, nothing detailed, just found it, bought it, giving you my impressions on the go, and I think man, it is good enough for the money. So if I wanted to say, can I recommend it to anyone, I would say yes.